Timing wrong, but the feeling was true. We was brave in a world that reward armor, but bravery alone can't pull love through.
Me see your smile like a future unfinished, like a promised life wasn't ready to keep. Me wanted roots, but my road kept moving, so me memorize your face in my sleep.
Me tell myself love sometimes visit early, to teach the soul how deep it can go. Not every flame meant to stay burning, some just show you the light before you go.
If this world couldn't hold we together, if
time refused to bend,
me not call it the end of love,
me call it not yet then. If I can't love you right in this life, if the stars don't line where we stand, I will carry your name through the darkness till I find you again. Understand, I will find you in my next life, when the weight of the past is gone, when we meet with lighter shadows and the heart don't have to run.
I felt you before I knew you, like a song I almost sang, like a dream that kept repeating, but slipped right through my hands.
I loved you in the quiet moments where no one else could see. I loved the man you were becoming, even when you couldn't stay with me.
I don't blame you for the leaving, or the way the door closed slow. Some love's a born emotion, not meant to sell it just to grow.
But you left fingerprints on my spirit, you rewrote parts of my soul. And even now, in different seasons, I still feel you when I'm whole.
If this lifetime couldn't teach us how to stay without fear, maybe love is
patient enough to wait beyond here. If I can't hold your hand right now, if fate won't let us stay, I will trust the universe remembers every word we couldn't say. I will find you in my next life, when my heart is less afraid, when loving you doesn't feel like choosing between survival and fate.
next life. Next life.
Next life.
My grandmother tell me soul travel forward, carry memory beyond flesh and bone. That true love never get lost in earth, it just change address, not gone.
So me now mourn this as a failure, we see it as sacred delay. Two spirits learning different lessons before they meet the same way.
Me hope in your other lifetime your love more easy than now. Me hope the world treats you gently, me hope you never forget how.
Love not expire, love not dead, it just sleep in the future till the past releases.
I used to think love had deadline, that if it miss it disappear.
Alors nous voici à Tirta-un-Poul avec Awan.
Yeah.
Awan.
Hello, my name is Awan. Yeah.
Nous allons faire le temple de l'eau, on va faire une genre d'espèce de bénédiction. Surtout Hélène parce qu'elle a besoin de beaucoup de péchés, de choses à se reprocher. Voilà nounou, nounou.
Les fougères. Et comment ça fait pour pousser les fougères si...
Je sais pas.
Antes te iba a querer, hoy eres mi mujer. Deprisa se ha ido el tiempo, por tu ex yo lo siento. Él fue que se perdió, solo se quedó. Así es el amor, unos ganan y otros pierden.
call my name from the dust, from the flame. Oh, my fire, rise again in my blood, in my veins. Careful walking through the clay, sun on my skin like it knows my name. Old drums echo far away, every heartbeat feels the same. Carrying stories in my hands, written in the shifting sand. With every step I understand, I was born from this land. Oh, my fire, call my name from the from the flame. Oh, my fire, rise again in my blood, in my night falls heavy, warm and slow. Moonlight turns my shadow cold. I hear voices down below, telling truths my bones still hold. I'm no stranger to the sky, I'm not afraid to live or die. Every tear I let run dry turns to sparks before my eyes. I am not lost, I am the road, I am the river, I overflow, I am the river, I am the soul, I am the fire, fire, still in me, oh, my fire, Forgive me that I didn't come when the ships pulled away with my son. Forgive me that I wasn't there when my daughters cried out in the air. But baby, I was on my knees, fighting battles you couldn't see. Chains were wrapped around my hands too. I was trying to break through to you. My baby's in the Americas, stripped of language, stripped of name. Haiti rising, paying the price for daring to break the chains. I saw you, I always saw you. I wept for every wound, but my own house was burning down, and I had to free these rooms. You was never that I forgot you, never that I let you go. I was fighting just to breathe too, but the blood always knows. The blood always knows. The blood always knows. It's sunset to you. Idazi miyazi, damuri najua. The blood always knows. I see your heart in concrete jungles. I hear my drums in your heartbeat. You built their cities with bare hands, while dancing feet on the streets. Drum nation singing liberation songs, where my resource still reign. From Harlem to New Orleans streets, you carried me through all that pain. The ancestors are not done yet. We're still here, still fighting. Oh, the ancestors are not done yet. This story still being written, so forgive me